All right, here we go. Good luck. Buena suerte. Yeah, right. Ain't nothing big come out of those boxes, so if there's a case hit, it's still in there. At least nobody's told me. I've got 6, 7 of those left. Gold! Is that autographed? Is that a gold auto? It's a gold autograph. Woo! What's up, Tyler? Gold Cristiano autograph. I stopped the video. Y'all have a good night. And I will see you guys tomorrow. No glove, no love. My enthusiasm. That shows some kind of excitement. You can't just sit here like a robot. Jerry. We just earlier in UFC. You choose to love Trevor, even though he hates you? After what you did to him? Tisk, tisk, tisk. Psych. You don't see Psych? What is Psych? A TV show? A TV show Psych? Joe Hart? David Silva? Ivan Rakitic? We got Sek. Rosicky Lafata. Cristiano Ronaldo. Romania. Prizm. Peter Sech. Giorgio Chileni. Andy King. Gylfi Sigurdsson. Fabianski Blaziskowski. Ireland. Flash of Wes Houlihan. Red Prizm Camille Gleek. 42 of 149. Alexander Kokorin. Michael McGovern. Ashley Williams, Neil Taylor. Tony Cruz. Gareth Bale. Purple. Marco Verratti. They're 85 of 99. Odis Roshi. blue, Robert Almer. 103 of 249. Vedran Corluka. Don't show the colors. Don't show the colors. Because Tyler's going to ruin it. Alright, our gold. Good luck. Is that Bale? Is that Bale? Oh, is Polska? Lucas Piszczyk, gold autograph. I thought it was Bale at the beginning. 4 of 10. He's defenseman. Borussia Dortmund. Nah, not jersey. Where's number 20? If it was 2 of 10, then maybe.